No, nice to cuddle. Yeah, I cuddle with this pillow. No, I cuddle with this pillow like this. I just put cause sana all. Yeah, if you like the color, just cuddle like this. That's the height. Yeah, project. Lol, I want it. Hey, what is this? Dragon. I want in public. I don't like private. Dragon. Hi, Rim. Rim, long time no see, Rim. Can I be the pillow? Come, come. Who wants to be my pillow? Hi, Rim. Good morning. Oh, this one. I have some stuff here. Stuff? What kind of stuff? My God. No, it's not a stuff. It's a toy. Hey, this is hi, Rim. Morning. Good morning to you. No, this is what it's nice. But no, this one I always keep put on my legs. And okay, show me. Oh, no lah, this one like this. I always holding this. I do my feet. I'm doing this. I think we sleep. And then this. I don't have this one. Nothing. This is what I tell you. Let me know if you want it. I want on public dragon. I rim. No, nah, I just like this. I just like to sleep. And then when I sleeping, I'm doing this. This is what is this? I just always playing with this. Yeah, lang. Every time when I sleep, I like to play. I like to play. What kind of play? Oh gosh. Ray, what are you doing now? Long time never see you. 3 days, 4 days. Play bottom. No, I play on the middle. I went to my village a few days. Oh, I like. What I gonna? What do you like to play? I like to play Codal. I like to play Codal. Yeah, I like to play Codal. Then that's it. No, no need to add more. Why? Oh, you go to the village. How is it? Rizal.